So what are we looking at out here? Obviously 2 doors to get in.
So you got 2 different doors here. Obviously you got awning, outside speakers and everything. Turn the game on.
Yeah. Just pass through or?
So you got not completely pass-through storage, about halfway in there. Still a good amount.
Yeah, plenty of storage.
Power stabilizer jacks right there. So press a button.
We'll talk about this in there, but it's a bathroom.
Yep.
So you got your separate entrance into the bathroom to keep people from tramping through your house pretty much. A little more storage back here.
Yep, a little bit more storage back there. I think it actually goes all the way to the door.
It goes clear.
It goes pretty much from there to there. So
yeah,
a lot of space.
Great. Big old awning, speakers.
Big awning, speakers. You got your whole hookup for TV over there, as well as some connections there as well.
All right.
So.
All right, let's take a look inside. I like this corner bar countertop.
Yep. Yeah, so a lot of manufacturers started going to this farmhouse look. And I think Puma actually did one of the better looks in here.
Yeah, this is nice. I really like it. I hope that picks up well. I like the corner sink is really, it adds so much to it as opposed to just being it's right there. They've taken this space right here where if you just had the sink there, they've taken this space, giving you a little more countertop.
Yep.
Yeah, it's good.
Yep.
Good.
You can still kind of watch the kids or whatever if you're in here and walk them out there, out the door, stuff like that.
Right.
Pretty close to a residential fridge. Good size, 12-volt fridge.
Is that storage underneath or is that decoration? Yep, storage.
Yep.
A little bit of storage under there. Big pantry here.
Big pantry. That's a key feature for a lot of people.
Yeah. Yeah. It's good you don't need as many cabinets down here, although you still have
a good amount.
Three draws, y'all. And then more storage up here.
Storage there. Yep.
So that's your kitchen.
Yep.
Did we talk about the 3-burner though? I can't remember.
Three burner.
And the
Yeah. So this guy here, you got your 3 burners. That guy acts as a little backsplash, so you don't get grease back there. 3 burners there, and then you got your oven right below it.
Awesome. We got the table down over here. It's kind of nice because a lot of times we just tell people that it breaks down into a bed.
Yep.
And then I'm assuming you just take these and put them in there.
I think the smaller ones here.
Yeah, the smaller ones.
I think the smaller ones, they just Yep, they fold down right in here.
And it's crazy. I saw one. We were at a dealer once, and they actually had it set up like a bed, where they had like bedding on it, and it's crazy how it looks like it's just supposed to be a bed.
Right.
You know.
Yeah.
So yeah, you go from a bed to a table. That's great.
Yeah.
That's great to get people sleeping in here, whether you want it or not. Do you know if that
sofa? You do have some cup holders there, and then this guy.
Also, yeah.
Does fold down into a bed as well.
Wow.
And obviously you could see how easy that was.
That was pretty easy. Just as easy to put it back up. Look at that. Look at that. All right. Here's where your TV goes.
Yep.
Fireplace. Wall for all your posters. I don't know. People still do posters or not. I do posters. I got magic posters, believe it or not. Posters with magicians on them because I'm a nerd. Here's the bathroom we talked about. It's got the door to the outside.
Yep.
Or the outside to the bathroom.
You got a nice big shower in here as well. So everybody's favorite. We'll get in here and
plenty of room.
Plenty of head space here.
Yeah.
So,
how tall are you?
6 foot, 6'1".
Okay. So there you go.
Yep. Plenty of space.
And I love that you got this door so that you're outside, which most of the times that's what you're doing in an RV. You're outside, so why come through the house and get footprints all over the place? Yeah, this is good. Yes, Robert, the answer is yes. We just had somebody ask if you buy from RV Wholesalers, can you pick up from RV Wholesalers?
Absolutely.
We'd love to see you, meet you. I just talked about earlier, I've been up here a couple times when we weren't doing the virtual RV show.
Yep.
Just when a couple people have been picking up their RVs, and they just, like I said, they are very, very happy, and it's very cool. So,
Yeah, it is.
all right, we're gonna get back to the bedroom. Is that what's in the
Bedroom,
back?
yeah. Have to shut that door first, and then.
There we go. All right. Yeah.
We got the master here.
Yep.
Plenty of storage, as you can see.
It does seem they
Here.
seem a little bigger.
Yeah, with the rack back there and everything.
Yeah. Space underneath to put your CPAP and
Yep.
your outlets.
Outlets on either side. I think this may fold up here. Yep. So you got a little bit of storage here under the bed as well.
Great. And then what did I miss up front? Was there a door up front that we totally missed?
Yeah, so the cool thing about this unit is you have a couple different options on it.
Okay.
So you can go with this option that we're going to look at here.
Oh, wow.
Or you can actually go with one with a bunk room.
Okay, yeah.
So they
I've
make
never
this
seen
in
a
a
setup like this. It's all, I just assumed it was going to be a bunk room. I've never seen a second bedroom in any of these.
Yeah, so you can get this in a bunk room. Hank has three or four bunks in here. Same exact amount of space, but if you just have one person,
Yeah,
you know,
that's very cool.
it
option.
works.
Sweet. Yeah, I haven't seen that. I like it.
So got your TV hookups in here and everything, so they can have their own TV.
Very cool. We had somebody asking about the table, the dinette, Tim. So, yeah, I'd say for like, if you're looking to sleep, they're asking like, are they big enough for adults? Like, if you're gonna sleep through the night, I think this would be for a kid because it's definitely a little smaller.
Yeah.
But that feels like
This one here, I mean, it's especially if you take these off,
out.
or you use them as a pillow. I don't know.
So,
But, I mean, there's plenty of space
I'll
there.
test it. I'm 6 feet. Let's see. Oh, plenty of room.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, look at that. You may have to do the rest of the show by yourself.
And it's really not
Yeah.
uncomfortable either.
Yeah, it's all right. And, you put like bedding on there, and that's going to stay all compact together. And yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
So you got room for probably 2 adults there. You can put 2 adults in there, a kid there, up there. So you're looking at 7 people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sleeps plenty.
Yeah. We have somebody asking about warranty. Like, what kind of warranty would this come with?
So, pretty much all RVs anymore come with a pretty standard warranty. So it's a 1-year limited manufacturer's warranty. Anything that's built within the actual facility itself. And then you got a 12-year roof warranty. That's usually about the extent. You have like a 90 days components warranties on certain models, certain product. But it's pretty limited.
Cool.